or the stronger or smaller one stronger. We are doing machine battle. Some of you can't even speak Oyibo. They are laughing at me on the internet. Nutribullet. I got it. And the other one KitchenAid. Hey, which one will win? Let's see who the mafia. Anyway, let's look at it. What do we have here? Brand new. Straight on Black Friday. Look at it. This one, they give you the guarantee. You can also buy more guarantee in the store too, so that you have it forever. If it spoils, take it back, they will give you a new one. If you buy the guarantee, you pay certain insurance, okay? So it's a, oh, we actually have 2 of these cups inside though. Let's see what we have here. And then Nutribullet is done. This one, this is the major one. This one is going to use, we'll use it for this and this. It can do sauces, you can blend sauces, smoothie, dessert, nuts and seeds. My major problem, my major aim that I'm trying to target today, can you blend seeds, something like chia seeds? Because I'm making very healthy bread these days. So want to see if I can use it to blend chia seeds or flax seed. So now we have these 2. It's like a smoothie something. Look, you have here the blade. This is what I always told you guys about the blade. See how wide this blade is? This is solid blade. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades. One there, you have this one that go really low, and these ones that are like on top. So that means it can capture any of these seeds, any of these things. We hope so. Apparently, you put whatever thing you need to blend in here and cover it. You cover it with this, and you put it here. Boom, and you turn it on, and boom, it goes. So this is one that you can carry it like making smoothie. So I would say that's the smoothie cup. Wonderful. On top of it, you see a user guide, and there, read it though. They will tell you carefully what goes for what you can do, how it works, and how you can clean and maintain it. Another thing I will tell you, try and keep your receipts. In case it doesn't give you what it promises, take it back. Ask the store when you buy it for what is their return policy. Very important. Make sure. So Jenkins, yeah, it's happening already. I'm so excited. I hope you are. Okay, let's put boom. So this is KitchenAid. KitchenAid is quite big. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Brand new KitchenAid. Let's bring it up. Okay, KitchenAid. Grind, and work with your dough. Make bread, all those dough recipes. This is a real food processor. Food processor. That's what you see, a dough. You see it making a dough. So this is a whole-blown food processor. Silver metal here at the side. We buckle it down. It's so pretty. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Babies, this is not for children. Okay, this is for only for adults in the family. Please, you see, come and see blade though. This blade, hey, please, finger going, chop chop. So we don't want that. We don't want you to hurt yourselves in the process. So please be careful. Okay, this is to protect you from. This is straight from the factory. We put it away. So KitchenAid, there we go. This goes up and down. See, this thing goes up and down, up and down. This machine say woo woo. Na wahala. So, as I said, the KitchenAid is like multi-purpose. It's a food processor. So this one is for chopping and grating. Let me show you what I mean. The days of slaving in the kitchen with this grating, sweating, grating is over. The machine will be there, boom, and you put your stuff in the feeder, boom, and boom, 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 boom. The thing will just be grating it for you. And this, no more. This, yes. So it has different blades. Put this away. It has different blades. That's it. Do you see? This is the real machine. This one does not go in the water at all. or you're going to blow your machine. This is dry. Now you have this is where you plug it into the power system. Now that we're finished with the introduction, let's see how it works, shall we? It's rice, basmati rice. What if I want to make rice fufu? Can you do rice? Cup of basmati rice. There, boom. Can you do? If you can do rice, we go to chia seed. There we go. Oh my God. Mind freaking blown. Rice flour, here we come. Tuwo shikafa. Look at it, guys. It did it. It did it. Look, no water needed. Smooth as the baby's bum bum. Fufu, like you're looking for fufu. Boom, instant rice fufu. Yes, she did it. This is good. Okay, rice done. Yeah, you have to put it in here. See how I did it? And then you cover it like a padlock. This is like a padlock. See it? Padlock it. Because this is dangerous machine. Not be joke. So it's padlocked. Safe. Make sure it's safe. Okay, to cover it so it doesn't move, okay? No bush pack. Doesn't move. I'm very disappointed. KitchenAid does not blend tiny seeds because it cannot cut the rice. I don't see it cutting chia seeds. And KitchenAid disappointed seriously with the rice blending. This is all KitchenAid was able to do. You just break the rice into tiny pieces. The rice is still there. In short, it didn't even do nothing. Sliced almond, I put some. Go, go, go. So I said it blends not. Let's see. I'm disappointed. It chopped. So all I can say is that the KitchenAid food processor can chop. Can chop. Okay. This is it. The whole almond seed. End up in the little cup. This, cover it up. Okay. Put. Oh wow. Look at it. This worked, oh. Wow, I thought it didn't work. It worked. This is soap. Look at it. It's powder. It worked. It's congealed together, but it worked. It worked, oh. It worked. It worked. So smooth. It just congealed, but it worked. Sure. Wow, I have something I can bake with. It worked. It congeals like this because of the oil and the almond flour. It worked. Wow. That I'm going to need in the bread. Okay? Okay? This chia seed. I want to make it into a powder form. Turned around. No buttons to be pressed. So chia seed ready. Coffee grinder versus Nutribullet. And doing chia seed. This, put it in this hand. Chia seed. Boom. Less anymore. Okay. So soak the beans for 5 minutes and then just put it under water just to crush it to remove the skin. See, it's peeling off. We're okay. We're okay. So now see the skins bare almost no more there. So I'm going to clean it up. You want to show it? Just see. The beans is clean, sparkling clean. So we're making a carrot. Guys, I gave it a good chance. Look at it. Still, look, did nothing. I gave it to, I tried to. Couldn't even blend ordinary beans for akara. Look at it. Still, oh no. Now Nutribullet to the rescue. Smooth as they come, so smooth. In conclusion, for me, Nutribullet is the one to keep. But KitchenAid is a chopper. It chops. It helped me clean the beans very well. If that's what you're looking for, but it's not a blender. It's not gonna do anything to make your seeds into powder. For that, go for Nutribullet. I will assure you, more machine wars to come. At this point, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, share, like, and please comment here. Thank you. Film done. Cheers.